I have no idea how it looked like before Schengen, so right now I'm just, driving. So yeah, no one was stopping me, no one was asking questions, no one was even looking at me, Okay, so I took a wrong way because I was confused. There is a wall, a metal wall, and behind this wall there's a river, and behind this river is Turkey. Come on, are you going or what? I don't know, we are driving, like trucks are parked everywhere, like everywhere. I don't know, I hope that I didn't break the law, yeah, of crossing the border here. Okay, so we have passed two soldiers, with guns, big guns, like fully equipped, yeah. Everything, like full metal jacket, yeah. And we are going for X-ray. I have no idea why. Because we don't have any load. Trailer is wide open. Okay, it's good, we have some money. We have some money. Look. Nice. As you can see, we are on the ferry boat, yeah. I was the last truck to enter. Yes, and that's road to Greece, finally. Okay, so that's the border. I have no idea what to do here, and I think that we are just driving. We have passed some police officers. No one was stopping me. I have no idea how it looked like before Schengen, so right now I'm just, driving. I don't know. I will put you here in front. Give me a moment. Okay, come here. I guess that's the end of it. Yes. So yeah, no one was stopping me, no one was asking questions, no one was even looking at me, I was the only truck crossing. I think it is not over. I have that kind of feeling. Because Google Maps is saying that we have like 750 meters to like the actual border with Greece. So maybe there is a Greek side of this border, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I can see already Greek flag. Okay, right now we are leaving Bulgaria. Okay. I know that the window is dirty. I know. I had no time to clean it. Okay, so right now we are in Greece. From here we have 140 kilometers to border with Turkey. Yes, to Ipsala. Very close to Keshan city. I don't know if we should overtake him or not. I'm not going to do it. That's a military truck. Oh look, that's another truck. That's a good sign. I have no idea where to go here. I will just drive according to the road or signs. Oh yeah, that's the Greek side. Look. Okay. I will put you again. Because I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. Dobra. Co, coś pokazywać, czy jechać? Jechać, dobra. Jechać? Okay, so I took a wrong way because I was confused because of this truck in front of us, yeah? He took a left lane, you know, and I'm supposed to take a right. I mean, as you have seen, yeah, as you have seen. Okay, we are in Greece, no one was asking questions. Yeah, first time here, you know, I have no, like, I was thinking about going right, you know, straight away, but this truck in front of us, he went left, you know, and I was like, okay, maybe everyone are going there, yeah, but okay, anyway. Okay, so we have just 30 kilometers left, and look, there far away, there is a wall, a metal wall, and behind this wall there's a river, and behind this river is Turkey, yeah. Simple as that. And I can see many, you know, police and military and people just, you know, driving around there. Very, very protected, you know, border. I mean, no wonder right now this border is basically not only the European Union but Schengen as well. Yeah, that's the border with Schengen. So, yeah. It has to be protected. We are passing another city. I guess it's going to be the last one before the border. Oh, there's a nice Orthodox church. A really, really nice one. The guy is getting in. Okay, no problem. He was in shop probably. Look, wedding and parties. green one. I still have 12 kilometers to the border. Yeah. That's a speed camera on the left. I don't know if it's working. I don't know. I guess that I don't want to find out. Yeah. Okay. What do we have here? Like, where are we supposed to go? Yeah, that's the question. I want some signs to show me where I'm supposed to drive. Like, do you see those trucks? They are like parked, like facing us. That's a trash bin. I'm going to stop here. I have to take my trash, you know, here. Okay, trash are out into the bin, and we can drive. Like, okay, those guys are just parked, just like that. Okay. We have some dogs. Come on, are you going or what? I guess that we are going to the right side. Yeah. Yeah, that's already a Greek checkpoint and there's no line, so that's nice. So I guess we are crossing just like that, which is nice, good, okay. Okay, so we are going, I have passed passport control on the Greek side, and I don't know, we are driving, like trucks are parked everywhere, you know, like everywhere. I guess that passport control and that's it, because I don't have a load to go to customs. And basically there was no scale for me or anything like that. I guess so. I don't know, I hope that I didn't break the law, yeah, of crossing the border here. I don't know, like, oh, okay, military. Okay, so we have passed two soldiers, you know, with guns, you know, big guns, like fully equipped, yeah, everything, like full metal jacket, yeah. And yes, that's the border, yeah. The border is the river. The guy is overtaking me, okay. Okay, so we have passed even more soldiers from Greece, and we have passed soldiers from Turkey. Everyone are armed, you know, like plenty of guns, yeah, armors, everything. Jeez, it's completely different, you know. In Bulgaria we don't see something like that, and that's already Turkey, yeah. If you can hear some sound, it's just about seatbelts. I'm just too lazy to put seatbelts. Okay, so let me tell you what is happening. Shitty situation, look, 3:38, and we are going for X-ray. I have no idea why, because we don't have any load, trailer is wide open, and we are going for X-ray. I have no idea why. I had to turn around here, and now I will be here, because that's the line to X-ray. It's like, I know, it's fucking ridiculous for me. Like, I don't have any load, yeah. Holy shit. We are going to spend long hours here. Look at this. I got myself köfte ekmek, which is a bread with köfte, with meat. 170 Turkish lira. Oh my god, look at this. 5 p.m. of Bulgarian time, which is 6 p.m. of Turkish time, and we can go. We can actually go right now. What about driving time? 4 hours 37 minutes, and the same with working time. We are not going to get far today. You know what they say? Welcome to Turkey. Welcome. Oh my god, finally. Oh. Now we have very important things to do. We have to change money. Yes, we have to change money. I have no idea where exactly. Welcome. Oh my god, welcome. Yeah, we have 27 kilometers to Keshan, but to Gallipoli we have, let me tell you, to Gallipoli we have 120. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what we will do. It's nothing here for now. So, yeah, I will try to get to like the petrol station, yeah, like the first petrol station, and I should be able to change some money, probably. Here's some kind of parking, but I guess that we don't have way to enter. I mean, we don't want to enter, we want to just park and change money. That's the difference, you know. It's Migros. Okay, like there are some things here. I don't want to enter though, because you know I will have to pay to enter. Yeah. It's pointless. Yeah, it's pointless. Okay, petrol station. Yeah, petrol station. We need some money. Turkish money. Okay, show me the map. Okay, we have actually 97 kilometers. Okay, 97 kilometers. That's a bit better, yeah. We can say it's going to be 1 hour, solid 1 hour of driving. And I don't know if we are going to wait for the ferry or not. I have no idea. The shitty part is that even if I will wait for the ferry, my time will basically run out, because right now it doesn't matter if we are driving or not, our driving time will finally run out exactly 4 hours and 28 minutes later. That's very shit. Okay, I can see on the map that we are going to have some petrol station on this side of the road later on. Okay. I have never been here before, to be honest. The road from here to Keshan is basically a new road for me. I don't know this road. So like 22 kilometers will be completely new. Okay, that's the petrol station. I will ask if we can exchange some money. Money. If not, then I will basically ask at any other, you know, petrol station if we can, because we really have to exchange some money. I will just park like that. It's okay. Okay, it's good. We have some money. We have some money. Look. Nice. We have 12,000 and something Turkish lira, 94 kilometers to our ferry boat. Very beautiful lady was exchanging my money. Yes. Look, I cannot see a lot in this mirror because of the sun. I have to clean it. Yeah, I have to clean it. I know. It's just no time, right? No time. Or no motivation. Because it's so cold outside. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Far away, I guess it's already Keshan city. Let me check on the map. Yeah, it is already Keshan. We have just 6 kilometers to the crossing section. We are slowly passing city of Keshan, and look at this sun. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Yeah. I'm actually wearing my sunglasses. Look. And those are magnetic sunglasses. I will show you, look. It's very nice, you know, very fancy, very fancy. Look at this, we can see water. I don't know if you can see far away in the middle of the screen, flashing lights. They are flashing sometimes. That's the bridge, yeah, that's the bridge, and we are going there, far, far away there. Because the ferry boat is basically next to the bridge. And it's snowing a bit, yeah, it is snowing a bit, I'm shocked. 0 degrees outside. It's getting darker. Sunset is almost over, yes. Soon it will be dark, so I guess that we are going to cross this water in complete darkness. Yeah, I still have 15 kilometers. Unexpected red light. That's the highway, by the way. Paid one. Oh, come on, we can have green right now, because there is no one else here. Oh, maybe right now? Yes. Oh, not for us. Oh yeah, for us, okay. Okay, let's go, let's go. Look, Gelibolu, which means Gallipoli, 8 kilometers, but we have 12 to the ferry boat. Okay, so that's our exit. What is happening here? Okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We are going. Oh yeah. As you can see, trucks are coming from the direction of the ferry boat. It means that ferry boat just came. Yes. And they are unboarding the ferry boat. Okay. Oh. Look at that. We have 1.5 kilometer of line to the ferry boat. Okay. Okay. It's almost 8 p.m. and we are still waiting, but we are very, very close to the ferry boat. Look. Do you see those lights far away there? Yeah, we are going there. Look at this. Almost 9 p.m. and we are almost there. Yeah, ferry is just here. I don't know if we can actually drive on this ferry right now. I don't know. There are 2 trucks in front of me still. As you can see, we are on the ferry boat, yeah. I was the last truck to enter. Yes, I'm at the far end of it. And yeah, we are swimming. It's good, it's good. It's 9 p.m. Hello and welcome. Welcome, we are on the other side, on the land again. Oh my god. We have 1 hour of driving time left. Seriously, 1 hour. I don't know where we will get with this time. I have no idea. I don't know. Somewhere, yeah, somewhere. to be honest, I'm really thinking what to do, yeah? Are we going to stop somewhere here, if I will have place? Or we are going to find a petrol station? I don't know. It's very windy, by the way. Yeah, it's very difficult situation. I don't know parking places here. I mean, we are in Turkey. We can actually park anywhere. We just need to have some place for it. But still, toilet would be nice, right? To have a toilet. Yeah, would be nice. Oh my god, so we have some place. Look, here is some kind of parking for a company with farming equipment. Here is the road, actually. Yeah, we are next to the road. And yeah, we have large piece of space here to actually park. So it's okay. And I have, look. Where is it? Oh, look, 18 minutes left of driving time and working time.